3.
Hi.
Hi, Merry
Hi.
Christmas.
This is, and my name is Lexi, and I am Abby.
What about me? Who am I?
And that's Roro. And we just put the cream in the bowl.
That's cream cheese. We're going to make a pickle dip. So let me speak for 1 minute, okay? So it's 2 cups of pickles, which is this jar. It's 1 package of cream cheese.
Yeah.
It's a dash of Old Bay, a sprinkling of minced onion. It gets soft. It's dry, but it'll soften in there because we let it chill. And a little bit of pickle juice. And the recipes will follow, but after the show. So we're just gonna get it all together. So the girls are my sous chefs.
Yes.
And they're gonna soften the cream cheese with the forks. If they eat anything, it's okay. It's just for us. All right, go ahead. While you're getting that soft, I'm gonna cut up the pickles.
Like this.
Yes. Ooh.
Me.
So you can make them as thick as you want. If you put them in a food processor, they get too diced up and too juicy. And if you like it that way, that's fine. But we're actually going to cube them like this.
Yeah.
And then we're gonna make 2 cups. And they're making it soft. You gotta really get into it, girls.
Come on, yeah. That's how you do it. This is how you do it, guys. And you make it thicker than the forks. No, Abby, you make it softer.
So I made it little chunks like this. I'm gonna show it to you. Then we're going to stop and have the magic of television and come back with it already cut up like this. This is how we like it, right, Jay? About this size?
Yep.
What do you think, girls, about that size, right?
Awesome.
Okay.
Roll,
Yes.
keep that big.
All right. I'm sure you know how to cut. I'm just cutting it with 2 slices, so it makes actually 3 parts. And then I just line it up and I chop it like this. You're supposed to make sure your knuckles are your guide. Give me a minute, Lou. After I finish talking, then you can. And that's what I'm going to continue doing until we get all of it chopped up. Go ahead, Lou. You wanted to say something?
So we are mixing it, and you can't, and you have to have a parent with you, because you will cut yourself if you don't have a parent. So your parent needs to guide you when you cut.
Good advice. So I got
And
1 cup.
Sisters. And
1 cup. Ready, girls? Here's 1 cup. Mix it in.
Yeah.
I like cutting. I think it's therapeutic, and I love how it's sort of firm,
Spit that.
and it kind of like slices
Mix
down into it. I like
it.
the feeling of it.
No. Messy. Yes, Abby,
Sisterly
you have
love
to
over
mix.
there.
Keep it in the bowl.
Yes, keep it up there and keep it up. Wait a minute, your sister lost her spoon.
Don't worry. This is a nice job.
It's not an easy job, is it? Other girls are doing that. If it's tough for them, what you could do is right now you can add, this is actually a teaspoon, like a teaspoon. You can add 1 of the,
Oh, thank you.
yeah, and then 2. And that might
Thank you.
drip a little, might make it move for you. We'll give it some slide.
Wetter makes it better.
Wetter.
And it's so good. It's
Lou,
hard.
tell me, you like this pickle dip, right?
I like this pickle dip.
Oh, Abby Rose does. It's her favorite. Tell me why you love it, Rosie. Why, though? Why do you like it? Why do you like the taste?
Because it has pickles.
Uh-huh, which is your favorite, right?
Yeah,
What else?
and some cheese.
Yes, cream cheese. What else? How about the saltiness of it? Don't you love salt?
Oh yeah, and some salt. I love salt. And she loves pickles.
Yes, these are kosher pickles, and they're
My favorite.
dill.
My favorite.
They're not sweet.
My favorite.
All right, girls, we got another. Oh, I think I got another pickle in here that I could get. Abby Rose, what happened, Mommy?
I dropped it.
Okay, you dropped what?
A pickle.
You're not going to put it in the bowl, right?
No.
All right, we'll put that in the trash, correct?
Yeah.
All right.
I'm trying to.
All right, here we go. Now, girls, can I just show you one thing you forgot that we always talk about?
Yeah.
Hold on. Let go, let go, let go, let go, let go. Remember? Here, you hold that. Hold it. You always have to remember, scrape the bowl to keep it down around the edges. That's next. We have, I just used minced garlic from Bagliani's. It's the best. And actually not minced garlic, minced onion. And it's from Bagliani. So I put like a handful, one. And Lou, we washed our hands with the organic soap. You want a handful of yours?
What?
Want to put a handful in? Okay. One little handful again. Go ahead, dump it in.
Me.
And Rosie, one handful, dump it in.
Down.
And
That's
then we're
how
going to
you
do
like pickle dip.
a teaspoon of this.
Yep. And you push it up
Right
like
here.
sandwiches.
Hold on. And then one more too. All right. And the girls are going to mix it. All right. Can I come in there and mix it up now?
Sure.
Thank you, girls. You're the best. All right.
All you guys did was eat it so far.
I know. That's okay. That's what happens when you're the sous chefs. All right, Lick. Lou.
Oh.
Rosie.
No, that one's mine.
All right. Well, give one to your sister too. Hello. We're back. So we're finished. And this is how I serve it. I actually serve this all summer long as well. And the girls are going to taste it. You ready, Lou?
Yeah.
You ready? Abby Rose? All right.
And these are butterfly claps.
Yes, they're her favorites. Here. Let me help you. Look, isn't that cute? That's from homework.
Okay. We are just taste testers. I can do it.
All right.
And we're going to put...
She had lipstick everywhere.
Dip.
She looked like Baby Jane. Whatever happened to Baby Jane with those kinds of lips? Look, I got it all over me. How is
So
it?
good. Awesome.
You gotta describe the flavors. Is it crunchy, sweet, salty? You tell me. How is it?
I do salty, sweet, spicy.
So the cream cheese makes it sweet, you think?
Uh-huh.
And the pickles make it salty?
Mm-hmm. And like the red stuff.
Oh, that's the Old Bay.
Yeah, and that's kind of spicy.
Gives it a little kick.
Yeah. All right, Rosie's trying hers. You girls can get in. What do you think, girls? Thumbs up? Thumbs down?
Down.
Down? I think it's thumbs up.
No, I said in the middle.
She says in the middle. Hey, we got to be honest here. We give it thumbs up because I tasted some already. All right, Merry Christmas. What are you going to say?
Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year!
See ya.